Juniper Mist runs your wireless, Purple adds the guest sign-in and the data layer on top. Here is how the two fit together. Purple is a cloud overlay. Your Mist access points still move the traffic and nothing in the network gets replaced. The setup is 4 moves. 1. In Mist, point the wireless LAN's external portal at your Purple splash page. 2. Generate an API secret on that same wireless LAN and paste it into Purple. That secret is what authorises sign-ins, in place of the radius exchange other vendors use. 3. Add Purple's addresses to allowed host names, which is Mist's name for the walled garden, so a device can reach the sign-in page before it has access. And 4. The exact click-by-click settings live in Purple's support guide. One honest limitation. Mist does not provide radius accounting for captive portals, so live presence and some network reports are not available on this integration. The exact click-by-click configuration lives in Purple's support guide. Start at purple.ai.